Wait. Max, tell me something. Have you ever walked into a cafe, tried to order coffee in English, and the barista just stared at you like you'd spoken in another language?
Oh my gosh, yes. One time I said, I want one coffee, please. And the person asked me 3 times to repeat myself. I was like, it's just coffee.
Exactly. And you know what? It wasn't your pronunciation. It was how you said it. Today, we're going to teach you the small changes that make you sound natural, confident, and like a real English speaker in everyday situations. Trust me, by the end of this episode, ordering coffee will feel easy.
So stick around because we're fixing those awkward moments right now. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hey, so happy you're here. Whether you're listening on your morning walk, during lunch, or right before bed, welcome. Today is all about real English conversation for daily life.
And we're keeping it simple, natural, and super practical. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say in common situations like ordering food, asking for help, making small talk, and even handling awkward moments.
Plus, we'll teach you phrases that native speakers actually use every single day. Not textbook English, real English.
So grab a pen, open your notes app, or just listen and repeat with us. Let's do this. All right, Max, let's start with a question. What's the number one situation where English learners feel nervous?
I'd say ordering food or drinks, like at a cafe, restaurant, or even a fast food place.
Yes, because it's fast, the person might not repeat things, and you feel pressure. So let's break it down. Imagine you walk into a cafe. What's the first thing you hear?
Usually, the barista says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?"
Perfect. So what can I get for you means what do you want to order? It's friendly and common. Now, how do most learners respond?
They say something like, "I want one coffee."
Right, and that's not wrong, but it sounds a little robotic. It's too direct. In English, we soften our requests to sound polite. Instead of I want, try saying, can I get, or I'll have, or could I get?
Oh, so instead of "I want one coffee," I say, "Can I get a coffee, please?"
Exactly. Much more natural. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I get a coffee, please?
"Can I get a coffee, please?"
Beautiful. Now, listeners, your turn. Say it out loud. Can I get a coffee, please? Don't be shy.
And if you want to sound even more casual, you can say, "I'll have a coffee." Like, "Hi, I'll have a large latte, please."
Yes, I'll have is so common. It's short for I will have. Super easy. Let's try it. Repeat. I'll have a large latte, please.
"I'll have a large latte, please."
Nice. Okay, now let's add one more thing. After you order, the person might ask, anything else? Or, is that everything?
Ooh, good one. So if you're done, you can say, "That's it, thanks." Or, "That's all, thank you."
Perfect. And if you want something else, you say, actually, can I also get, and then add what you want. For example, actually, can I also get a muffin?
So polite. I love it. Let's do a quick role play. I'll be the customer, you be the barista.
Okay. Hi, what can I get for you today?
"Hi, can I get a medium cappuccino, please?"
Sure. Anything else?
"Actually, can I also get a blueberry muffin?"
Of course. That'll be $5.20.
Perfect. Thank you.
See how smooth that was? No stress, just natural conversation.
Now, listeners, imagine you're ordering your favorite drink. What would you say? Try it out loud right now. Seriously, practice makes perfect.
All right, let's move to another super common situation, asking for help. This one is huge because English learners are often too scared to ask questions.
True. Like you're lost or you don't understand something, but you stay quiet because you're nervous.
Exactly. But here's the thing. Asking for help is easy if you know the right phrases. Let's start simple. If you're lost and need directions, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "Sorry, do you know where?" And then say the place.
For example, excuse me, do you know where the nearest subway station is?
Perfect. Notice how we say "excuse me" first. It's polite and gets the person's attention. Then we ask the question. Let's practice. Repeat. "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest subway station is?"
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest subway station is?
Great. Now, what if you didn't understand what someone said? Don't just stand there confused. You can say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Or, "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Ooh, I didn't catch that is so useful. It means I didn't hear you clearly or I didn't understand.
Exactly. It's super natural. Let's say it together. "Sorry, I didn't catch that."
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Awesome. And one more. If someone is speaking too fast, you can say, "Could you speak a little slower, please?" It's polite and clear.
Yes, don't be embarrassed. Native speakers ask this too sometimes.
Absolutely. All right, let's practice asking for help. Imagine you're in a store and you can't find something. What do you say?
Um, excuse me, do you know where the bread is?
Perfect. Or you can say, "Excuse me, where can I find the bread?" Both work.
Nice. Listeners, think of something you'd ask for in a store. Try saying it out loud. Excuse me, where can I find and add the item?
Love it. Okay, next up, small talk. This is where English learners really struggle because it feels random.
Oh, yeah. Small talk is that casual conversation you have with coworkers, neighbors, or even strangers. It's not deep, just friendly.
Right, and the key is you don't need to say anything brilliant. You just need to be friendly and polite. Let's start with the most common small talk topic, the weather.
Classic.
Yes, in English-speaking countries, people love talking about the weather. You can say, "Nice weather today, right?" Or, "It's so cold today." Or, "Beautiful day, isn't it?"
And the other person will usually agree and add something like, yeah, finally some sunshine.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat. "Nice weather today, right?"
Nice weather today, right?
Good. Now, another easy small talk phrase is asking, "How's your day going?" Or, "How's it going?"
And you can answer with something simple, like, good, thanks. How about you? Or, not bad, just busy.
Perfect. You don't need to tell your whole life story. Just keep it short and friendly.
Okay, let's try a quick small talk conversation. I'll start. Hey, Lily, how's it going?
"Hey, Max. Not bad. Just a bit tired. How about you?"
Same here. It's been a long day. But hey, at least the weather's nice, right?
"Oh, yeah. Beautiful day. Perfect for a walk."
See how easy that was? Just friendly, light conversation, no pressure.
All right, listeners, try this with someone this week. Even just saying, "How's it going?" makes you sound more natural.
Okay, before we keep going, I want to ask you something. Have you ever said thank you and the person replied with something you didn't understand?
Ooh, good one. Like you say, "Thank you," and they say, "No problem," or "Anytime," or "You're welcome."
Exactly. And learners get confused because there are so many responses. So let's clear that up right now.
Yes, this is one of those small things that makes a big difference. Most learners make this mistake, so stay with us. We're about to fix it. Okay, so when someone thanks you, what can you say? Let's list them.
Number one, you're welcome. This is the most common and polite response.
Number two, "No problem." This is casual and friendly. It means, "It was easy. Don't worry about it."
Number 3, anytime. This means I'm happy to help you anytime.
And number 4, of course. This is warm and means it was my pleasure.
All of these are correct. You can use any of them. Let's practice. Imagine I say, thanks for your help. What do you say?
You're welcome.
Good. Now try, no problem.
No problem.
Perfect. And one more. Anytime.
Anytime.
See? Easy. Listeners, next time someone thanks you, try one of these. It makes you sound so natural.
All right, let's talk about another daily situation. Talking on the phone. This one is tricky because you can't see the person's face or body language.
True. So you have to be extra clear. Let's start with answering the phone. In English, we usually say hello or hi, this is, and then your name.
For example, if I answer my phone, I might say, hello, this is Max.
Exactly. And if you're calling someone, you can say, hi, this is, and then say why you're calling. Like, hi, this is Lily. I'm calling about.
Perfect. Now, what if the person you're calling isn't available? You might hear, sorry, he's not here right now, or she's in a meeting.
Right. And you can reply, okay, no problem. Can I leave a message? Or could you ask them to call me back?
Let's practice. I'll call you. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, this is Max. Is Lily available?
Sorry, she's not here right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. Could you ask her to call me back? My number is 555-1234.
Sure, I'll let her know.
Thank you so much.
See? Simple and polite. Listeners, practice this with a friend or even by yourself. It really helps.
Now, let's talk about something super important, apologizing, because sometimes you need to say sorry in English.
Yes, and there are different ways to apologize depending on the situation. Let's start with small mistakes. If you bump into someone or interrupt them, you can say, oh, sorry, or excuse me.
Right, it's quick and polite. But if you made a bigger mistake, you need to say more. You can say, I'm really sorry about that, or I apologize.
And if you want to explain, you can add, I'm sorry for, and then say what you did, like, I'm sorry for being late.
Perfect. Let's practice a quick apology. Imagine you're late to meet your friend. What do you say?
Hey, I'm so sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed.
Oh, no problem. Don't worry about it.
Thanks for understanding.
See how natural that felt? Just be honest and polite.
Exactly. All right, we've covered so much already. Ordering food, asking for help, small talk, phone calls, and apologies. But we're not done yet.
Okay, listeners, it's time for a challenge. We're going to give you a situation and you're going to practice responding out loud. Ready?
Situation number 1. You're in a cafe. The barista asks, what can I get for you? What do you say?
Great! Here's a good answer. Can I get a medium coffee, please?
Situation number 2. You're lost. You need to find the library. What do you ask a stranger?
Nice! Here's one way. Excuse me, do you know where the library is?
Situation number 3. Someone says, thanks for your help. What do you respond?
Perfect! You could say, you're welcome, or no problem.
Last one. Situation number 4. You didn't understand what someone said. What do you say?
Excellent. Try, sorry, can you repeat that?
How did you do? If you practice out loud, you're already improving. Speaking is the key to fluency.
All right, let's quickly recap everything we learned today. Are you ready?
Lesson 1. When ordering food or drinks, use can I get or I'll have instead of I want. It sounds more natural and polite.
Lesson 2. When asking for help, start with excuse me and use phrases like, "Do you know where?" or "Can you help me?" Don't be shy.
Lesson 3, small talk is easy. Talk about the weather, ask, how's it going, and keep it light and friendly.
Lesson 4. When someone thanks you, respond with, "You're welcome," "No problem," "Anytime," or "Of course."
And lesson 5, if you don't understand, say, sorry, can you repeat that? Or I didn't catch that. It's totally okay to ask.
These 5 lessons will help you in so many daily situations. Practice them this week and watch how much more confident you feel.
Max, I'm so proud of everyone listening right now. Learning a language is hard work, but you're doing it.
Absolutely. And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid to try. Every conversation is practice.
Exactly. So here's your homework. This week, use at least one phrase from today's lesson in a real conversation. Order coffee in English, ask someone for directions, or just say, how's it going to a coworker.
And then come back and tell us how it went. Leave a comment below or send us a message. We love hearing your success stories.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English. It really helps us keep making these lessons for you.
And stay until the end for a bonus tip. We're going to teach you one phrase that will make you sound super fluent.
Ooh, yes. Okay, here it is. The bonus phrase is, I'm good, thanks. You can use this in so many situations.
For example, if someone offers you something and you don't want it, you can say, "I'm good, thanks."
Like, would you like more coffee? I'm good, thanks.
Or, "Do you need help?" "I'm good, thanks."
See? So useful. Try using it this week.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today. We'll see you in the next episode where we're going to teach you how to make friends in English and keep conversations going naturally.
You won't want to miss it. Until then, keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you're doing amazing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.